So, when I was definitely working hard yesterday at work, obviously, I came across a E36 Con Automatic Pro M3, also Con, and it's in Atlanta. So I'm flying to Atlanta and hopefully driving back with this car. If not, I'm going to be stranded in Atlanta. If I do buy the car, also equal opportunity that I could be stranded somewhere in between Atlanta and St. Pete, Florida. So, yeah, that's what the vlog is about. I just booked my ticket yesterday and was like, this is a great idea. But now I'm questioning my choices on whether this is a great idea or not. Yeah. So, recently I watched Nate Z's video driving 2,500 miles in a drift car. So welcome to maybe driving 500 miles in a soon-to-be drift car. She's being safe. Yeah. She did not have to do all that. That was dramatic. The time has come, and I'm going to look at this car in 30 minutes. I've never carried so much cash on me in my life, and I feel like I could do a killer ass money spread right now. 100% nervous to drive from 8 hours alone in a car that does not have a title, and I do not know. I do not know how this car actually runs. He says it runs great, but you can say a lot of shit. So, I guess we'll know in an hour if I'm gonna get this car, if I'm gonna have another Beamer. So, anyways. So, I did the damn thing. Now the only thing left is getting back to Florida in this. Only 500 miles and some change, but we got it. I'm gonna buy some coolant before I go and we'll be fine, right? I haven't come up with a name yet. To be decided. On the road, guys. We're heading back to Florida and we only have 7.5 hours left. But first stop is grabbing coolant and grabbing gas because he gave me this car empty. What the hell? Anyways, I guess we'll see what the adventures this car takes me on in its first road trip. So, anyways, peace. About 30 miles in. We smooth sailing for now. We haven't hit Atlanta yet, so I think that's gonna be the bitch. I'm gonna hit Atlanta 4 p.m. So I just made it to Florida. You probably can't see anything, but the bass. I can't get over the fucking bass. I can't listen to a song and enjoy it. Whatever. We're 3 hours away. I filmed the ending, so this is the end. And the name is Leo. So finally has a name. Anyways, peace.